Hi friends, I am back with a new video. Myself MD Khayyum, Civil Engineer. A warm welcome to all the viewers of JILT Academy. Today I am going to discuss about a ground floor plan with the dimensions of 30 feet by 50 feet with a plot area of 1500 square feet. So this is a east facing plan and it is very suitable for the area of 1500 square feet. But before going to discuss in detail, I request all the viewers of our academy, those who did not subscribe to our channel, kindly I request you to subscribe to get the latest notifications. Now let's move on to discuss about the plan in detail. So here you can view, as I said, it is a east facing. As per Vastu we have designed this plan. So here this is a very lavish parking area of size 18 feet by 15 feet. Here you can park a car along with motor vehicles. So we have provided main gate and also one sub gate. Sub gate is of size 4 feet where you can able to enter through this sub gate. Here we have provided 2 steps. Here this is a sit out of size 6 by 7 feet. Now I am entering into the living area. Living area is having a vast area of 15 feet 6 inches by 11 feet 2 inches. Here in the living area we have provided a sofa teepie along with LCD. You can view and enjoy with your family. And from this living area I am moving towards the kitchen room. So here in the kitchen room, as per Vastu we have designed, which is a dimension of 9 feet by 8 feet 7 inches. Here we have plotted a platform for the purpose of cooking and here for the purpose of washing area, and here from this side of the kitchen we have plotted work area like washing clothes, domestic use, all purpose can be served here. Now I am coming back to the living area. In this living area we have provided a dining table of size 12 feet by 10 feet. So here this dining area is having sufficient area in which we have provided dining table with the 6 chairs. Easily can 6 people have dinner. So now from this dining room I am moving towards the right side. We have provided a common toilet for all the people of size 7 feet 8 inches by 5 feet 2 inches. So here we have plotted western wash basin and also outside also a wash area for washing hands for while you are doing dinner, breakfast, etc. From this we have provided from inside a staircase. Those who want to move towards the upstairs, as it is a duplex model, we have provided staircase inside the house. So here underneath of the staircase we have provided one more toilet. Now you can see from this staircase a bedroom of dimension 13 feet 6 inches by 10 feet. Here we have provided bed and you can have a wardrobe here section. So this is also a lavish and comfortable bedroom, and we are having another one bedroom of size 11 feet by 14 feet 7 inches. So here also we have provided a bed along with wardrobe. So this is a very comfortable plan and can be served in area of 1500 square feet. So friends, I think in today's video you like the video a lot. I request you share the video to your friends as much as possible and kindly subscribe our channel. Every Sunday 10 AM you will get my plan explanation video with the different dimensions and innovative designs. Thanks for watching.